Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay for a Crunchyroll subscription with Google Play. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up Crunchyroll and make sure to sign in. Once you've signed in, we want to go ahead and click onto where it says account, bottom right hand corner of the page. From here, scroll down and we got membership. Click on where it says subscription. At the moment, I'm using a free membership. It'll say get premium access, so we need to click on go premium. Now we've got a few different premiums or subscription we can choose from, so pick whichever one and then go ahead and click on start subscription, and then this Google Play box will appear and it will say what you're getting, starting a 7-day free trial, and then it goes to $10.99 a month, etc., etc. Below that, it's got your card number here, but if you're not seeing your card number, what we can do is go back and then click over to our Play Store. And now once we're at our Play Store, make sure to sign in and then click onto our profile. Then we need to click onto payment and subscriptions. And where it says payment methods, click onto that. And now this is where our payment methods are going to be. If we want to add a payment method to our Google account, it will say add credit card, a debit card, add PayPal, or you can also redeem a code just depending how you want to pay for it. So if you want to add a credit or debit card, click onto that, put in your card details, etc. And then head back over and make sure to save it. Then head back over to Crunchyroll, and then it should say your card details under the subscription, and then go ahead and click subscribe, and then that's going to successfully pay your Crunchyroll with Google Play.